All right. That was pretty exciting. You guys see the little leprechaun run across the street? That was hilarious. Oh man, it's like this old Fremont Street. We actually gonna make our way down Las Vegas Boulevard and go for a walk. You know, it's always interesting going this walk. A lot of change in Vegas, and I want to see everything that's changed. Get an idea of what's different here than what it used to be.
Know. I can't pour it in here.
You know, 4 years is definitely mixed it up out here. So let's walk old Fremont. Let's walk old not Fremont, but we're gonna walk old Las Vegas Boulevard and walk down and see what we come across. See who we come across down here too. And we may even head over to Main Street. I don't know. There's some other bars to hit, so let's see what's going on. It's actually getting a little humid out here. Well, not humid, but it's getting hot. You know, I was not expecting it to be hot, as it is. A lot of construction is going on in Vegas, as it was going on in Philadelphia. I'm jumping this in between Philadelphia, so don't forget to, you know, like, subscribe, and you know, enjoy what you see. You know, comment also on the posts. So, let's see what we got here. Walk down here. It's gonna be kind of little bit of a slow down as far as action, but well, we'll see what we can find out down here. Wait.
Yeah, I was like, buy two Stacey's get one.
One of those famous places to go and get married at, right here. Little small spot. This is the Mount Bellamy Wedding Chapel. Oh, the limo's over here for the Graceland Wedding Chapel. This is where Elvis marries you at when you get to Vegas. Want to get an Elvis wedding? Come on to Graceland. I decided not to go to Main Street. You know. Rogue Toys. So I know you guys watch Pawn Stars, so one of the things that you guys don't know is that Rogue Toys is a gentleman that comes in and actually does when they have like toys for the show, he comes in and actually does it, and that's the guy. This is right here, Rogue Toys. I'm gonna walk across the street and see what's going on with Rogue Toys. I'm gonna cross anyway. I know I'm supposed to, and I got it on video. So, let's get across the street here. See what you got going on. So here we go. Rogue Toys. Famous Rogue Toys. Right here. Let's keep our journey going. Go back across the street real quick. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. No one stops in this town, so. See how fast that was? It didn't take much time to get down here. Didn't take much time at all. It's the only pawn shop you're gonna find with a museum in the back of it. You don't really see that. I don't think any pawn shop in the United States. You know, yeah, you get an off-road adventure going on. You guys can rent a vehicle. You know where to rent your vehicles at when you come out here. So Rick left this place to the Pawn Plaza, and he still have a barbecue place down the bottom here. I don't know if it's still down here or not. Come here and we come here and grab some barbecue. I've already eaten, so I'm not grabbing it right now. But I know it was down there. It is. It is one of the best barbecues in Nevada. It is one of my favorite spots. Ooh, everything over here. But yep. And he kept the name. He didn't call it like Rick's Pawn or anything like that. He kept the name just as it's Pawn. You know, and that's where the famous pawn stars are at.